Hello, I'm Joel, one of the product specialists here at Barn Pros, and I'm here to tell you about our wide selection of barn door hardware for both indoor and outdoor applications. Our universal track package for sliding doors is made for exterior use, with a unique flange, handmade and designed specifically for Barn Pros. However, all of our hardware is made from powder-coated galvanized steel or iron, which can be used indoors and out. Our basic track hardware package made of hammered iron gives a classic look to any door. It comes in two different colors and a smooth or distressed finish. If you have low clearance between your door frame and ceiling, we have some low-profile pulley options as well. If you want an even more unique style, take a look at our martini or double horseshoe pulleys, which also come in 3 different colors. All of our track packages come with all the bolts and pieces necessary to hang your sliding door. Remember, when ordering your sliding hardware, that the track needs to be at least twice the width of your door opening, so there is plenty of room to slide the door open, and you need a strong header above the opening to support the weight of the door. If you are purchasing one of our hinge options instead of a track, simply select the style of hinge that matches your taste, then match the weight of your door with the rating of the hinge. For breezeway doors, you generally want the hinge to go halfway across the width of the door, but it can be shorter for smaller doors. Whether your door is hinged or on a track, we have plenty of door pull options to match your taste. We have the large hammered door pull for breezeway doors specifically, but all of the options can be mixed and matched. We recommend using our flush mount door pull for the inside of sliding track doors so you can fully slide the door without the handle getting in the way. Whichever door pulls you choose, you will be choosing hardware that is built to last, made of solid iron, and designed for a working barn. With your door hung and handles installed, we also recommend using a cane bolt to secure your doors open or closed. There are other options for securing doors, but we find these to be the most reliable. We also have a selection of rustic hardware that allows you to add a little more personal style to your doors. We stand behind the quality of all of our hardware, and if you have any questions about your project, don't hesitate to give us a call.